Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Delia from Delia's Place. Well, you know that whatever is going on in the world, I keep my ear to the ground. It's not everything that I'm going to bring onto my channel, but this one I think it is really newsworthy. Now if you never hear about this, then you must have been under a rock. Alright, so you hear that Bolt win 3 gold medals. One for the 100 meter, one for his 200 meter, and of course the 4x100 relay, which everybody and them granny know say and make a whole heap of nice for the man. Next thing we know, him a celebrate his birthday. Yeah. Then me see this whole heap of picture come out with him and this girl, and the girl don't look like Kasi. This girl don't look like Kasi at all. Yeah, she brown and whatever, and my opinion, she not as cute as Kasi. Sorry, it's true. She not as cute as Kasi. So Kasi, go and pick up yourself, my girl. But I have to add my 2 cents to it, right? You remember when Bolt brought to our attention that him have a girlfriend that he said that he was going steady with, or was dating, or whatever him call it. Him never sent him a wife or up. What he said actually was that he's not getting ready to get married until him about 35. Right? Whenever they talk to him about, whenever they interview him and talk to him about what he's going to do. Sorry, my fan was on, people. I'm sorry. So if you weren't hearing me, that's because of the fan. But what I was saying though is that yeah, he probably rate the girl Kasi, but he never said wife. And he said that he was not going to get married until he's 35. And every time that they ask him about that he's going to retire, or if he does decide to really retire, what is on the agenda is just to have fun, because he never really lived no life yet. He just spent his time on the track. Yeah, in party and stuff, but he spent his life fulfilling his career and building his empire. So now that he's finished, him a free, right? Was his birthday. It not give him no excuse. I'm not condoning anything that Bolt has done, because I wasn't there. I never count no strokes. I never took out him penis and pushing another girl. I don't know. I'm going based on pictures. Pictures can be photoshopped. Things can be misconstrued. Who said the pictures are recent, right? I'm not taking no sides. Don't get me wrong. I'm not taking no sides. But the man did say him not ready for married life until him at 35. And let's face it, most men want to sow them oats and live free. It is only unfortunate that he's in the limelight and this come to light. So if you never hear about this, I'm going to tell you about, if you never hear about it, I'm going to tell you about it. He was allegedly seen with 3 girls. So apparently him like things in a group of 3. So if you not buy cash pot, I hope when we already buy the 3, I don't know if you play yet, but you not continue buy 3 because it must play. Right? He was seen with 3 different girls. One in a gyrate and wind up and work. Yeah. And the other one, this deep kissing like massa. It's like him a go take in the girl face. And next thing you know, that there's all these pictures popping up with him and this girl in bed. And she now is saying that she's sorry and she didn't want it to come out, and it was an ordinary evening. Which night with which Jamaican ordinary? If a real Jamaican man put it on you, I tell you. Anyway, that is besides the point. She said the girl said she put it on WhatsApp. She sent it to her friend on WhatsApp. Now what you expect? Bolt is a popular man. He's a popular guy in the heights of his career basically, and he just won 3 gold medals. Why a girl going need no a friend? If somebody send me something like that, books me, send it off, you know, because I don't, that person don't have any emotional connection to Bolt. That person don't even know Bolt, you know. May ask is that, well, you have a boyfriend, I see your boyfriend on your channel, what if your boyfriend do that? And my answer to you would be before or after me killing. Why I would be so upset is because he never said he's waiting until he's 50 to get married. He never said he wanted to go out and have fun. He has already told me that yeah, I am wifey, I am future wife, So if he should do something like that, then it would be something that is unexpected, because he never told me that, I'm not ready to settle down. He didn't say that, right? Bolt, on the other hand, has said that he's not ready to settle down. So if he has gone and done something, he has already made it clear to Kasi Bennett, to the world, to you who is watching this, and to me, that he's not ready. And he's not ready to settle down. You understand? So all this hype about boy have girlfriend, having a girlfriend, and then this him girlfriend, and all these things, you guys just need to come out of the man business. Because while you are in the man business, your little business around the corner as spoil. He has done something, and he has, to the time that I'm doing this video, I have not seen where he has come out and said anything. He is allowing us to believe what we want to believe, and we are also buying into it, and the media is so sensationalizing it, and we are so eating it up. Sometimes we just need to see a story and just watch it unfold and see how it ends. Now, for us to be putting it up on social media and just keeping it in, we are holding the girl Kasi hostage. Believe it or not, we are holding her hostage. Right now, I'm sure she has already deleted her Facebook. She has already deleted her Twitter, sorry. I don't know about Facebook, but we are preventing her from going on our Instagram, going on our Twitter, going on our Facebook, and having a life, basically. She walk on the road and people who know her probably look at her away. We are holding her hostage. You see me? Because of something that someone else may have done. We have no proof. We have some pictures. That is not proof. Right? These pictures could be old pictures. We don't know the circumstances behind these pictures. We do not know what is happening. We don't know what the agreement is between Bolt and Kasi. We don't know if they indeed broke up before he went to Brazil. We don't know all of these things. But at the same time, we are here hyping up the thing and whatever. When Bolt probably in another one next Coachy and have fun while we there worry about him. Now, if Bolt has done something wrong, he is 30 years old. He's an adult. He can do whatever he likes, but at the same time, he has to respect other people's feelings. He can't go around and be doing these things. If he did it, he needed to have respected Kasi. He needed to have been more discreet. And since he had come out in the beginning and said, yes, I have a girlfriend, her name is Kasi Bennett, here she is, world. If they have broken up, come out and say, this girlfriend is no longer my girlfriend, forget about her, world, I am just here to have fun. Right? So I am saying that we don't know what happened. We weren't there. None of us were there. And the story is nice to laugh and talk about, because I have talked about it. I have laughed about it. I'm doing a video on it now because it is trending. But we need to give the people some privacy. They need privacy. Right? We're holding the girl hostage. Right now, Bolt is going to come back to Jamaica, and I don't know, nobody is going to be thinking about how he has worked hard over the years to put us on the map where athletics is concerned. Right? He has put us on the map where athletics whatever his forefathers did in athletics, he has capitalized on that, and he has used that as his stepping stone, and he has put us on the map. People are focused on it. People who has never heard of Jamaica before know about little us because of this man. And whatever he does in his personal life is his personal life, but we need to focus on what he has done. It is so easy for us Jamaicans. It is so easy for us Jamaicans to idolize somebody or put them on a pedestal, but then in the back of our mind we are trying to figure out how we can tear them down. And as we find something, we just grab onto it and we not let it go. You understand? We don't talk as much about his achievements and what he has done for this country as much as we are talking about this now. You understand me? We are sometimes a set of bandwagonists. I realize that we're a set of bandwagonists. I've watched Bolt from he ran his first race and made a fool of himself with that chain in his mouth until now. I'm not taking away my support from him. No, if him do what him do, me not rate it. Me I say me not rate it. Me not rate it from no man at all. No, I don't rate that. Understand? But at the same time, he has done a lot of good. So maybe we need to back off and allow. I wish people would back off and allow the story to settle and allow it and allow for him to come forward if he chooses and say something. Because we're just pushing. So one, we're keeping Kasi as a hostage because she can't go on her social media anymore. She can't walk. I'm sure she can't walk free for people who know her. Right? Imagine her heart if she has set her heart on this man. Imagine how she feels right now. And we keep on pushing. If Bolt has done it and it has come out, I'm sure he did not expect it to be like this. So we're holding him hostage too. We need to just let it go. Because it makes no sense we hold on on it and then something there. When these things happen, we need to think about how we would feel or how much we would want people in our lives. There are things that happen sometimes and not even the people closest to us we want to know about it or want to talk to about it. So imagine that our whole our world full of strangers is just sharing your pictures, talking about you all the time. Imagine how these two people, it's not one of them in the situation, it's two of them. Right? Imagine how these two people feel. So I'm not making this video to sensationalize anything or to bash anybody. Yes, what he has done, if he's done it, is wrong. It is wrong. There's no two ways about it. It is wrong. If he has done it, it is wrong. There's no saying that, oh, he's a man or it's a Jamaican man tan. No matter who you are, where you come from, your status in life, if you have a girlfriend or a wife or whatever and you go and you do something like that, it is wrong. It cannot be condoned in no way, shape or form and should not be accepted. Right? For Kasi, if it is that they were not broken up in the first place and she's hurting, it is going to take time for her to heal. And people just need to stop really, I don't know. For her, I don't know how, if it is true, I don't know how she's going to get over it, and personally, me sorry for her. You understand? And for that girl that share it, she's saying that she don't know who Bolt was. It's a lie. Who don't know Bolt? You understand? So it can be so many things. It can be somebody just trying to mess him up. It can be so many different things. But we believe for the girl that he was with, or the girls that he was with, of course they're going to want to be with him because he is the it. He's the it person. Everybody wants a lick off a Bolt. You understand? Just like how Gatlin and all them man they want to run off a Bolt. Every girl go want off a Bolt.
Every girl want to walk off of me. Yeah. Every girl want to walk off.
You understand? So he needs, if he's doing these things, he needs to mature up and be a man and keep it in his pants. And for the ladies watching this, just be careful of men like that. If you know within yourself that you're not wifey, do not put your heart in it. If you know in yourself that you is the side chick, stay in your lane. Okay? If you know that you're not ready for a relationship, don't put it out there. Don't do it. If you know you're not ready, don't do it. Just keep it on the down low, and the pain will be less for both people in the end. It's all I'm saying. That's all I wanted to say. This video probably never really have a point because people might think that I should be bashing Bolt or something, but this is not the point of my video. I don't intend to start doing that on I just put my opinions out there. My channel is not about bashing anybody. If you're wrong, you're just wrong. I'm not bashing anybody. So if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click the like button to keep me going, because then I'll know that you like my videos. And until next time, bye.